starting Sunday sauce. I have 3 large shallots sliced and minced, 1 large Vidalia onion, peeled, cored, and sliced, 3 shallots, peeled, sliced and diced, some heavenly Marzano, small Marzano tomatoes to start it off. About maybe 10 or 12. Cut them in halves. And then once that sweats out, I'm going to add 2 cans of tutto rosso, or if you have cento, peeled pear Marzano tomatoes, a can of tomato paste, and some Italian seasoning. I put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Maybe add a sprinkling of salt if you want to add a little more flavor to it. The sweetness is going to come from the tomatoes, the San Marzano tomatoes and the tomato paste. Never use sugar if you're using San Marzano. There's no bitterness on this. The amount of Italian seasoning depends on your taste. Some people don't like a lot of oregano and a lot of Italian spices. I add as much as I can. As you can see, I'm trying to get them caramelized. Let them sweat a little bit before you add the cans of tomato, and then you do a slow simmer for about 2 hours. And then you're gonna then you boil pasta water, and then you're gonna have the best pasta sauce in the world. Anything extra, you freeze it in small Rubbermaid containers. As you can see, it's getting nice and caramelized. One of Trump supporters right now. To squish down the tomatoes, do very great. And this is the final product. Enjoy and buon appetito.